Let's say Doggie has $1,000 he doesn't need right now. Instead of hiding it under his bed, Doggie decides to put it in the bank. The bank now has Doggie's $1,000, but here's the secret. The bank doesn't leave the money sitting there. Instead, the bank lends some of that money to other people. A family might borrow money to buy a house. Or a business owner might borrow money to grow a company. When people borrow money, they pay something called interest. So the bank earns money by charging interest on those loans. That means they return more money than they borrowed. But the bank wants people like Doggie to keep depositing money. So the bank shares a small part of its earnings with Doggie. That extra money is called interest. If Doggie deposited $1,000, he might get $1,050 back later. The bank keeps some profit and gives some profit to Doggie. That's why banks are happy to hold your money. So next time a bank pays you interest, remember, your money helped the bank make money too. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.